Oduro nam ka so nyansa to nyame sana na ndo mfi so ma dwom ha mama am na nkoye se K0fi Oduro ni nua ni Julo zebra enti said e kwan no ye twa na nka wo dan dia wo se etene dia K0fi Oduro de na mebu ne pa na nim so ye kwase asa na menim so wajimi sa nam ka se wi ni wajai se wonya wi ne no wojina prophet no shema no dos no teta no wi ni no tafi de twemu wi a kwase ade ni jimi na menim se K0fi obi wo ye kwase asa na menim se
Abusafo mmemu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so Mohammed is like video no be subscribe to the channel no what no notifications say next time videos of this nature ba also sabit makabi now so watch the word or comment section there my see the munim da na fe Mr President to whom na fe Mr President and meje also sa ne de wa hase e be som mo nti by chance dey ye offer studio master time e be ka sponsor na person bo ame a number na was no reach number na ye de me number be ma and I will to reach out through me wo friend number no kwa there go nya access to me na mo be o de man bia me se beka me ne baji me de was pa so na over politics man there were only one headquarters now politics in American so there will new be Afia and I will be at them say yeah me Afia Schwarzenegger the bushia over the weekend so for penny and yamensa won so a sabi na medwuma no waye a kire yi obi anim le pa e ka say me da 7 na Ghana for de nti for a couple of days now Ghana for ni bi adwa with respect to said of penny with this level of intelligence and pedigree I would do ka almost second cause of cancer bisa ba waka na no na asem na Russia na asem na kwakudu headquarters Afia Schwarzenegger no better to be a manager of penny abusia wan fa boga anya swan wan finance we penny we akwara ka na adwen na media make say when it comes to these men of God I know they are very genuine and I believe they are very genuine into masamo ba na ne ka no akwese besipane ko nyina haban ne yetase no banyam safum e ba sana na asem ne kana ya den kakra but yenhwe men waste more time bebre yembo story nim cause Afia Schwarzenegger kan sem bebre yemoram ni nkuti the Afia Schwarzenegger kan na so chere wajo comment section
Oduro ka so nyansa to nyame sana na ndo mfi so ma dwom ha mama am na nkoye se K0fi Oduro ni nua ni Julo zebra enti said e kwan no ye twa na nka wo dan dia wo se etene dia K0fi Oduro de na mebu ne pa na menim so ye kwase asa na menim so wajimi sa nam ka se wi ni wajai se wonya wi ne no wojina prophet no shema no dos no teta no wi ni no tafi de twemu wi a kwase ade ni jimi na menim se K0fi obi wo ye kwase asa na menim se bitinesi so kwa ye won sama ye kafa mema no mo wa bebre no e mema no na mo diri no wo fa 10 emu 8 mema tete ka se ndi onim nyansa na onim nyansa na de wo kwase asa K0fi Oduro no abo jimifo se ye yankobɔ mpaye e ma akoso modam ne wuni chase o ma me hye ne wo se kwase ani mo jimifo o so atete ntasi ogun kofo ma wonu mi wia na wo jimi asiase yankobɔ mpaye e ma kane anso kwase kasa jimi kasa jimi wanyim dada se de wo ti atebubu toilet ho e tete paper ton kwase ya bebo mpaye ma light aso asie jimi oni mi sana na do free so ama dwom mahama ama obi ti se K0fi Oduro nam ka so nyansa to nyame sana na do free so ama dwom mahama ama am na nkoye se K0fi Oduro ni nua ni Julo zebra enti said e kwan no ye twa na nka wo dan dia wo se etene dia K0fi Oduro de na mebu ne pa na menim so ye kwase asa na menim so wajimi sa nam ka se wi ni wajai se wonya wi ne no wojina prophet no shema no dos no teta no wi ni no tafi de twemu wi a kwase ade ni jimi na menim se K0fi obi wo ye kwase asa na me nim se di tinesi so kwa ye won sema ye kafa mema no mo wa bebre no e mema no na mo jiri no ofa 10 emu 8 mema tinja ka se ndi onim nyansa na onim nyansa na de wo kwa siase Kofi Oduro no abo jimifo se ye yenkobɔ mpaye e ma akoso modam ne wuni chase o ma me hye ne wo se kwa sie ni mo jimifo o so atete ntasi ogun kofo ma wonu mi wia na wo jimi asiase yenkobɔ mpaye e ma kane anso kwa sie kasa jimi kasa jimi wanyim dada se de woti atebubu toilet ho etete paper ton kwa sia ye bebo mpaye ma light aso asie jimi mo ya mo ntwe me ho
enkwasia wonse kan ye dum eja ye obi aka na no atum kwasia dwene na ba me na adan madu ya gada enkwasia dwene na ye se adwuma no kwasia dwene keka kwasia dwene keka wonim de ya wo fie wono ye kura wo ye electrician ba no obefa cables so de ye adwuma prekopa na kanea no so na pese ye na ga na baby akanea ko baby ya. Tell me, say Nangwasia, I didn't see that. Matuaba. Do to a benti a baby say I in the Ediangwasia, no. Politicians in the Muslim and Nimuntiminka wage them. Ediangwasia, what to a benti a Yentiminka Sanjira was a someone who came and 5 GBN who be prepared for fruit po. Aqua Resa cable no asheno, who be to meet the Fufraco join, Aqua connect. What you will be papa no, who to fear na wounds and Timika and all that kind of thing. Number General Cajos and Quasia, I was a 1 tears.
Prophet Kofi Oduro say. Nyana yako wana wa makoto won prepaid aye do me light wa babo ntia be complain no eye nkwase adwene eye Prophet Kofi Oduro say wana wo mu complain dum so no eye nkwase adwene na that means automatically no obi bia no complain e bia ya kwase a o say obi papa akoso maase ene obi papa kwa akofuru po ye njini obi papa na okọ frupo no ho na ye ka eye dum so na saa obi papa na okọ akọ frupo no enye saa nkwasiafo na tax ene ye ditua wo moka so obi papa na okọ akọ frupo na wakọ akọye light ni ye no saa nkwasiafo na wo mu compre no wo tax money ene wo mu ditua so obi papa ka no ono ye ditua so obi papa ne ka na ka ya forward jumom as a ECD ya forward jumom no wasanye anene sen as a ECD na ka Ghana for yan kwasiafo yentua yenfa ye tax money enfantua ECD for ka na light ni dumu a wada ko pe me tam ono akasa ko beto no na wakọ frupo na wasesa. Enti Prophet Kofi Oduro say wo be complain bi aye kwasea afie de yentie nyansani afie de yentie Prophet Kofi Oduro afie de yentie nyansani oba be ka nyansasem muma yentie
akosombo ase amanipa ye huru baby a obia gwanti me angasa momia mompa yese akosombo no ahye no eniema be
wo nyansani no wo Prophet Kofi Oduro nyansani no osi akosombo ase iti yemfa mpaibo sete we yakosombo be ye we wo nyansani no ka kira wona wo mu kompreni se wo me yankwase afo no afie de sa nyansani ne be kasa wo osi akosombo ase osi akosombo no wa ase iti yemfa mpaibo mata aurade akosombo asio fahumato aso nyansani no akosombo ase nti osi yemfa mpaibo sete we yakosombo be ye wo nyansani no wo asema ka kire ye ya dem paibo na de tetiri dum so ya dem paibo Sa ayi ahoma eti cable tia. Ya dem paibo and a solve cable. Ya dem paibo na solve cable. Asofofo amogu Ghana hawo. Major na kasa Ghana problem ni he fi asofofo. Bebre na fi asofofo. Na kasa politician, na kasa pastor, as a prophet. Na ka wuji maki na waka kira aban no sa aban dum so na wodi aba no dum so na e ba be koso no wan pa nya bibi wo ho a e be se wo policy e be se wo din inti ye bibi fafa ho fa mo my Ghana ho nto wo mo because obi akwa ne light inti se wo dis light ne ma no there be na ka wuji maki na wujina wa sori dem President John Mahama wa ba power no make sure say obeye mpuntu nyuma ade ama o man Ghana seti we ye wufire konya ne so a wo ba be die konya ne so a ye be kai ni a wo ye emene ma wo te power no na ye de ahwe so de ato aba e de ama wo ba seti we ya ahindie seti we ya presidency no e be ka e wo wabuhiem da bi wan wo see youth na e complain dum so no ye kwasiafo see ye complain dum so eti nyansani be kasa Nyansani be kasa o se yemfam paibo emfante ya kire ne ebia na ahye no entimi nya adwuma yate Kofi Oduro yate why prophet Kofi Oduro yate mai se ya no ye no na so dem kai kikamuhunu tie mo mfaso bia ni so.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Frequency as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi former foreign affairs minister. You remember Asabi and his wife. You remember Ghana at 50. They did all these things, lied and won elections. They still use the same playbook they used in 2008 to win the 2024 elections. Now the president has seen that indeed they couldn't prove the cases. Even out of the 32, that Okujeto has said that they are watertight, that they are just low-hanging fruits. They cannot even start 5 successful prosecutions. Now, as the lawyer, he will tell you that it is left with less than 25 weeks of legal weeks for them to leave the scene in 2029. I can tell you in all honesty that the NDC will not be able to do 5 successful prosecutions. They can't. To even follow through to the end. They arrested Hanan last year. The case is yet to start.
The wheels of justice, they say, grind slowly.
You see, when you paint the picture that these people are corrupt, when we said they were corrupt in 2016, when we came in, the first assignment was we were able to finish the prosecution of Abuga Pele and Asebet. They went to jail.
But they started. Babuka, it was. They started.
No,
Babuka, no, even it was. They were convicted on other jobs.
No, they were not. They were convicted in 2018.
I'll check it.
They were convicted in 2018. Yes, they started the prosecution. They started Abuga Pele's prosecution in 2015. They followed through with some lackadaisical attitude. We came in and we made sure that we completed again. When you check the NCA, we were able to get conviction of Eugene Bafuwomi, William Tivie, and Alhaji Mumina. Then the venture capital, we got conviction for 4 people. You understand? So when we say that these people are corrupt, we are able to follow through to get it done.
Okay.
But they will use all these to win elections.
It was completed in 2018.
2018. You understand? So we had to do all these things. So what I'm saying is that the oral is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. That's the reason you see the Attorney General addressing press conferences to mention people and mention properties that do not even belong to the people. At the end of the day, they can't even go to court to start prosecution. That's the reason the president is saying that. In order not for really the NDC lawyers to also be angry, let me just get some NDC lawyers, pay them so that they will be able to. This is a drain on our resources. Because if you want, as lawyer Pierre Dankwa has said, if you think